Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to go quickly over how to connect the tables that you imported from Microsoft Access. I have noticed that in the previous video, it used to automatically connect those tables, but in this version of Microsoft Excel, it doesn't. So it wants you to connect them manually. So let me start by first making sure that you already have uh, Microsoft PowerPivot. So you already have PowerPivot connected here. So I have it here. PowerPivot is already checkmarked and say, okay. All right, so now I should be ready to import the data. So I will go to the data tab and then get data from database. And then I will say from Microsoft Access. I will go to my desktop or downloads, and then I will get it from here. All right, so now it's going to upload. Going to select tables that I want. I will say load. You will see that it's connecting and loading them. All right, so you can go now where I'm done. I can go either to manage data model, or I can just go to PowerPivot and then again manage. That's what I'm really interested in, is to click on the diagram. And what I will do here is I will just put it how it used to look like when we had it in Microsoft Access. So it's next to each other. So I had patient table, and then this guy was here, and then this is the billing. So now they are kind of in that same order. I'll make sure that I enlarge the content of the tables so that way I can see all the fields. So now I'll start connecting them manually. So I'll drag the patient ID from the patient table to the patient ID in the visit, drag and drop. And now you see that it is connected. They're connected through a relationship, which is one-to-many. Now I have visit ID here as a foreign key, and I have visit ID as a primary key. I will connect this guy to this guy. Now they are connected. Now I have this guy as a primary key here, and it is a foreign key here. So I will connect this guy to this guy, right? Now I have my data is ready to run, and now I should be able to create my pivot table. Again, I will say pivot table from data model. And let's say I want it to be in a new worksheet. So for example, here they want me to list the last name of patients with the total amount of invoices, all right? So again, the last name from patient table and the invoice amount from billing. So that's all I will do. I'll use patient table from here, last name, drag it here to the rows, and I'll minimize that. And then again, I will go to billing, invoice amount, drag it to values. Now this is what I have. I can just sort, or just, again, I can just do also here, filter by values, and I want the top one. So this solves the problem for me. But you got the idea. I just wanted to show you how to connect, and you can go from here. All right, all the best to you.